Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notification in one of the state university, and it is really a good opportunity to the UGS net qualified candidates. Why? Because the vacancies are there from the multiple departments, and eligibility is the PG plus UGS net, and there is no written test. All the selected candidates will be directly called for the interview. And coming to the assistant professor, the rationalized pay is 57,700 rupees per month, and the last date to apply this one is 11th June 2020. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your mobiles, laptops or desktop. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are having the vacancies from the multiple departments, that is faculty positions in the School of Chemical Science and in the business school and in Department of Library and Info Sciences, and the faculty positions in human resource development. So all these vacancies are announced from the Goa University. And if you can observe here in the chemical sciences, there are assistant and associate and the professor vacancies are there. And the last date to apply this one is 11th June 2020. And coming to the business school also, associate and assistant professor, the last date is same, 11th June 2020. And coming to the Department of Library and Information Sciences and the HRDC, for both these two also we are having the assistant professor vacancies and the last date is same, 11th June 2020. But before going into the details, first of all, you have to clear with one thing that apart from the post graduation and the UGS net qualification for the assistant professor vacancies, if you want to apply to this Goa University, the following 2 points you must have. It is a mandatory requirements. So first you know about both these 2 points, then you may go to the in detail notification. The first one is minimum of 15 years of residence in Goa and the knowledge of Konkani, and the additional knowledge of Marathi shall be desirable. So here A and B, both these two requirements are the mandatory. So if you are having these requirements, then only continue this video. And coming to the faculty position of the chemical sciences, so click on this one for more details. Then you will be directed to the information regarding this chemical science recruitment. So all these are the permanent posts, permanent or regular posts. So it is application link. If you want to apply, then it is application link is provided. And so these two requirements are mandatory for all the faculty positions in the Goa University. And these are the information brochure. Coming to the application fee, so it is 1,000 rupees is the application fee, and the 7,000 rupees for the candidate from foreign countries. For the SC and ST category candidates have to pay only 50% of the application fee, that means only 500 rupees, and physically disabled candidates are exempted from the payment of application fees, that means the PWD candidates need not to pay anything. And the last date to apply, that means you have to submit the online application on or before 11th June 2020. So these are all the details, and coming to the general requirements are there, and the qualification for the assistant professor, as you already know that master's degree with 55%, and anyhow some concession in the marks will be allowed, may be allowed based upon the caste category. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the net qualification, either UGC net or the CSI or net in the corresponding subject must be there, or else a set or SLET must be there. If the candidate is not having the set or SLET or net, then the candidate must have the PhD qualification. Okay, so these are all the things for the assistant professor recruitment in the Goa University. And candidates called for interview will have to present themselves at their own expenses. No TADA will be provided to the candidates. So that means the candidates who are shortlisted, then the university will directly call the candidates for the interview, and no TADA will be provided to the candidates by the university. They have to put their own expenses. And the application last date, online application, 11th June 2020 till 12 o'clock noon. Okay, so like that you may go through the remaining notifications also. Remaining notifications means remaining departments, that is business school and Department of Library and Info Sciences and the Human Resource Development Center also. So once if you are eligible, only the knowledge of Konkani and the minimum 15 years of residence in Goa, then only go through this notification. So it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. For more updates, please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.